In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Grammarly for your academic writing projects. Whether you're crafting a research paper, drafting an essay, or polishing a dissertation, Grammarly can be a valuable ally in enhancing your writing with its numerous features. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this tool. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Grammarly's website. Since it's an online platform, accessing it is as simple as opening your preferred web browser and typing in Grammarly's web address. Once there, you'll be greeted by the home page where you can either log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. Take a moment to get comfortably set up because this platform will shortly become your go-to resource for academic writing. Now that you're logged in, let's get started by opening a new document. This is your blank slate where all your writing magic will happen. Grammarly's interface is user-friendly and designed to help you focus on content. Once your document is open, Grammarly starts analyzing your text in real time. You'll see suggestions popping up designed to improve clarity, conciseness, and correctness. It's like having a personal editor working alongside you as you write. Let's talk about these suggestions. Grammarly doesn't just correct surface errors, it delves deeper, offering stylistic and tone adjustments to make your writing more engaging. As you write, be open to these recommendations. They're tailored to make your work stand out academically. Moreover, for academic purposes, Grammarly has the added advantage of checking for plagiarism. This is critical in ensuring the originality of your work. Simply click the plagiarism checker option, and within moments, you'll receive a detailed report. This feature is a lifesaver, especially with strict academic standards where originality is paramount. Additionally, Grammarly has a fascinating feature. You can write with generative AI. This tool can assist you by generating text based on the guidelines or prompts you provide. While it won't do your thinking for you, it can serve as a creative springboard to help overcome writer's block or refine your ideas further. Once you've gone through your document, reviewed the suggestions, used the AI tool, and checked for any plagiarism, you're ready to finalize your work. The done notification might feel satisfying. It means you've made it through all the checks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to producing polished, professional quality academic writing with the help of Grammarly. Remember, consistent use of this tool not only enhances the quality of your current projects, but gradually hones your writing skills. So keep practicing and let Grammarly contribute to your growth as a writer. Thanks for tuning in and happy writing.